Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the topic that is law of demand. In previous video we will already discuss the factor affecting the demands. Now we will discuss about the law of demand. So what are the rules and regulations of demand? We will discuss in this video. Okay. So firstly we need to know about the meaning of law of demand. So law of demand states that it is inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded of a commodity when other thing constant, or you can say that the other thing remaining same. So this is the meaning of law of demand. So what is the meaning of law of demand? It is an inverse relationship between what? Price and the quantity demanded. So what is the meaning of other thing remaining the same? So other thing remaining the same means the factor which are affect the demand will be same. The factor already discussed in a previous video. What are the factors? So factors other than the price should be the fixed. Okay. So here you can see that other thing remain the same means there is no change in taste and preference of the consumer, no change in income of the consumer, no change in expectations of change in price in the future. So these are the factors should be the constant when we state the law of demand. So it is basically inverse relationship between, so price is the inverse relationship between demand. Okay, so you can write P is inversely proportional to D, 1 upon D. Okay, P inversely proportional to D. So price will increase, demand will decrease. Okay, so this is the meaning of law of demand. Now this law is here. So there are some assumptions also. So assumptions of law of demand. So first assumption is there is no change in price of related goods. Okay, so there is no change in price of related goods. Price should be, related goods should be fixed. Related goods is either the substitute goods or the complementary goods. So these are the first assumptions. Now come to the second assumption. Second assumption is there is no change in income. So income should be fixed. There is no change in income. Now come to the third one. There is no change in taste and preference of consumer. Okay, so first is what? There is no change in price of related goods. Second one is no change in income, and third one is no change in taste and preference of the consumer. There are so many factors also for these assumptions, like there is no change in expectations of changes in price in futures. So this is also one of the assumptions of law of demand. Now we'll discuss with the schedule. Here we will write the price, here the demand, demand of particular commodity. Suppose the price is rupees 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the price of the particular commodity. So when the price of particular commodity is 5, so let's take an example. Here the demand will 50. It is an example, you can take any number here. If the price will what? Price will decrease, or even here you can write if the price is 4, from 5 to 4, now the demand of that particular will what? Will increase or decrease? Definitely will increase. So here you can take 60. Okay. When the price also fall from 4 to 3, so demand will what? Demand maybe 70, here 80, here 90. You can take any number, okay? But this price will decrease, then demand will increase. Either you can take another example where the price will increase and demand will decrease. Both examples are suited for this law. So we will take the price decreasing and the demand increasing. So this is the schedule of law of demand. Okay. Now come to the graphical portion of this law. So graphical portion is what? Like this. Here we plot it on x-axis, that is quantity demanded, and y-axis take it as a price. So here price is what? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now demand is, just take it 60, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Okay. So what will you do? We will just plot the graph. So when the price of particular commodity is 5 rupees, then the demand of that particular commodity is how much? That is 50. You can see here, when the demand of the particular commodity is 5 rupees, okay, then the demand of that particular commodity is how much? 50. When the price decrease from 5 to 4, then the demand will increase from 50 to 60. When the price is 3 rupees, then demand is 70. Then price is 2 rupees, demand is 80. When the price is 1 rupees, demand is 90. Just meet the point. Okay. So here is a demand curve. Okay. So in this picture you can clearly see that if the price increase, then the demand of that particular will decrease. When the price is 1 rupees, demand is how much? 90. When the price increase from 1 to 2, then demand is how much? 80. So demand is shifted from 90 to 80. So this is the law of demand. Okay. So this is the schedule, this is the curve, and this is the assumptions of law of demand. So now this is the total concept of law of demand. I hope you understood the concept of law of demand, what are the assumptions of law of demand, how to make the schedule and the graph of the particular laws. Okay, so thank you so much.